Analog devices and circuits, unit number 4, measurement devices. Okay, that is one of the circuit is recorders. So in this chapter, so we are going to see about the recorders. So that means if you measure some data from the some sensors or some other devices, mean you have to store the data for analyzing the purpose. Okay, so only we are seeing the recorders in this chapter. A recorder records electrical and non-electrical quantities as a function of time. This record may be written or printed and later on can be examined and analyzed to obtain better understanding under control of the processes. Okay, so that is paper chart. Basic element of recorders will be paper chart to record the information, stylus writing instruments, then interfacing apparatus. So these are the different recorders available in the real-time operations. That is the analog recorder, the digital recorder. So example for analog recorder will be graphic recorder, oscilloscopic recorders, magnetic tape recorders. So in digital, it is have a digital tape recorders. So graphic recorders, so display and store a pen and the ink record of history of some physical event. That is X-ray recorder and strip chart recorders. X-ray recorder is an instrument which gives a graphic record of the relationship between two variables. Pen moves in two axes, X and Y. So this is the model of X-ray recorder. So this is the black diagram of X-ray recorder. So that is using of input signal, the balanced servo motor. Okay, depend on the X input and Y input, the stepper motor and the servo motor will vary in the different position. Okay, that is arm connected with the one servo motor and the pen connected with the another servo motor. So these variations will define the will get fit the output in the paper through the pen. So this is the model. So there is self-balancing advantage of X-ray recorder, that is sensitivity of 10 microvolt per millimeter. Okay, slewing speed will be 1.5 meter per second. So unique torque value. So regulation curves of power supply. So like that it will be had. So another example is magnetic tape recorder. So this model, we are storing the data. We are storing the data in the magnetic format. That is the input voltage given to the record amplifier. That is given to the lead. That is recording head. Okay. So first power supply rail given to the magnetic tape to the record amplifier. That is inertia roller given to the record head. The record header will be recorded into the machines. Then it will reproduce by the pitch roller, then take up rail and take up transfer. So output voltage will connect to the reproduce heads. It will read the data from the magnetic. So all the magnetic tapes, so we can rewrite using the different operations using the process. So what is the disadvantage in the magnetic recorder? We cannot do more number of recording options. Okay, if we maximum you can done up to the 10 times or 20 times. After that, it will be the magnetic tape will be damaged. So only you go for the data loggers. So that is the one of the digital storage devices which is used in the real-time model. So that is store the values into zeros and ones. Okay, in XY, it store the value in the output of paper. Okay, directly we will define. So as well as in magnetic tape recorder, it will store in the process of magnetic field. Okay. So next class we will see the data logger.